Good morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana. So students, today's topic is Let's Try 5, and in this Let's Try 5 we have to pick the right verb to complete the sentence. So first of all we will learn the rules of simple present tense again. So students, in singular case, if we have a singular subject, then we add s or es with the verb. Okay, and if we have a plural case, plural subject, then we use the verb without s. Look at this. Now read the examples of singular case. That boy feeds his cat twice a day. That boy feeds his cat twice a day. So students, recognize the subject. Subject is singular here. And when we have a singular subject, then we add s or es with the verb. Feed is the verb. Okay, that boy feeds his cat twice a day. And the next example is plural case. So if we have a plural case, means plural subject, then we use verb without s or es. Clear to all? Brothers is plural, and feed, we use feed as it is. Now students, here is a chart of simple present tense. Learn this chart. If we have subject I, you, we, they, then we use the first form of verb, that is see here. We can use any other verb like play, watch, look, eat, run, any verb. Okay, so I see the sun, you see the sun, we see the sun, they see the sun. Why? Because these are the subjective pronoun, and if we have these pronouns as a verbs in the sentence, we use first form of verb. Okay, if we have the subjective pronoun like he, she, it, then we use the first form of verb with the s or es form, like this chart. He smells the coffee. She smells the coffee. It weighs 3 pounds. It weighs 3 pounds. So students, we can use any verb instead of these verbs, but with s or es form. Okay students, remember always we use s or es form of verb when we have he, she, it as the subject in the sentence. Alright, now we will do Let's Try 5 of your course book. So in Let's Try 5 on page number 63, we have to complete this exercise, complete this Let's Try by using the verb, by using the correct verb. So first of all, you have to recognize the subject, then use the correct form of verb. So the first one has been done for you. Geeta walks to school. In this sentence, walks is in the blank. Why? Because Geeta is singular subject, and we use s or es form of verb with singular subject. So that's why we have to recognize the subject. Okay, Madhav. The next one is Madhav. So recognize the subject. Madhav is one, means singular. Madhav is singular subject. That's why we will use enjoys, the s form of enjoy. Okay, इसमें s लगा हुआ है, enjoys. Clear to all? The next one is they dash in the rainiest place in South India. And the options are live and lives. So students, check out, cross-check your table. Yes, of subjective pronouns. They is a plural subject. They is a plural subjective pronoun. So we will use the first form of verb without S or ES form. And where is the answer? Live. Live is the correct answer. They live in the rainiest place in South India. The next one is we dash rafting on the river. We dash rafting on the river. Now cross check your table. We is a plural one. Okay, so we will use the verb without ES form. Okay, goes is with ES form, so we will not use it. That's why we will use go, because go is a verb without S or ES form. So we will use go with V. The right answer is go. We go rafting on the river. Fill it fast. The next one is he dash his cousins. He dash his cousins. The options are visit and visits. Yes, cross check your table. When we have subjective pronoun like he, she, it, then we use verb with S or ES form. Now we will do the next one. I dash them sightseeing. The options are take and takes. Take and takes. Now we will fill the blank by using the correct verb. And what is the correct verb? Cross check the table. When we have I as a subject, then we use verb, first form of verb without S or ES form. So what is the correct answer? Yes, take is the correct answer. I take them sightseeing. Now read the next one. You dash the village. You dash the village. The options are explore and explores. Explore and explores. So the correct one is explore, because this is the first form of verb without S or ES form, and we use the first form of verb without S or ES form. Clear to all? Now we will read the next one. She dash ferns and plants. The options are collect and collects. She dash ferns and plants. She is the singular subject. She is a singular subjective pronoun. So we will use the S form. We will use the verb with S or ES form. And where is the correct verb? Yes, collects. The second one, collects, is the correct answer. She collects ferns and plants. The next one is we dash lychees in the forest. We dash lychees in the forest. The options are find, finds, find and finds. So recognize the subject. Yes, we is the plural subjective pronoun. So we will use the first form of verb without S form, means जिसमें S नहीं लगा हुआ है. And the correct answer is find. So students, you have to do this Let's Try 5 in your book on page number 65. Okay students, the topic has finished now and you have to do Let's Try 5, and I will send you your homework in your group. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.